chicken breakfast, which is something I found in this book that I always rave about. Lisa Steals Fresh Eggs Daily. And she's got a recipe in here for oats and things that you can give your chickens in the morning. So yeah, it can cost you extra money, but you get great eggs from this, and so I'm going to show you how we mix it. A lot of this stuff you can get in bulk, especially if you're getting organic. That's a cheaper way to go. Some things you just have to adjust. I usually have rolled oats that are organic in bulk, but it's coronavirus time, and so they closed down their bulk section, so I just get the canisters of the regular oats. So what we're going to do is put our ingredients in here, in this pot, and then just transfer it back and forth to mix it. We put in about 3 of these canisters of oats, more or less, depending on how much you want to make and how much you can store. I do use seaweed. It's not essential, but my chickens seem to like it. And I noticed that when I first started using the seaweed, I pulled it out. It comes in sheets. I was trying to cut it with scissors. It's a pain in the butt. So instead, to break up the sea snacks, I just crinkle the bag. You cut it open first, crinkle it, and then you can pour in the seaweed without a lot of mess. Then we do 4 cups of raw sunflowers, a cup of brewer's yeast, 2 cups of flaxseed. Usually I can get this in bulk, but of course I can't now. 2.5 cups of, I use minced garlic, but you can use garlic powder. That keeps mites and things away. And sometimes Lisa suggests you use diatomaceous earth food grade. I'm holding off on that because my pullets, my teenagers are eating this too, and I don't want to put Dio-Earth in their food right now. They're still pretty young, and I'm just kind of being cautious. You can also put probiotic powder in your food, but I go ahead and put that in their water, so we don't have to do that step. You can do either way. The probiotic powder is really good for them though. So we've got all of our ingredients. I have 2 big pots with which to make it. And then you kind of mix it up back and forth until it's all integrated. And then you can put it in whatever containers you have for sprinkling on top of the chicken's breakfast every morning. So I give them an all-in-one crumble in the morning in their little feeding troughs, and then sprinkle a little of this wonderful stuff on top. Not too much, just a little on each feeding area so that everybody gets a little. And it makes them happy, and it creates really beautiful eggs. So try it. These are my grandchildren, Bella and Arya, helping to make chicken food. They're mixing it all up. So we're gonna take this flaxseed.
Are we gonna dump it in?
Yeah, dump that in.
Okay.
Now mix it all up. Oh, that's so helpful.
That's so good. I just want to eat these.
Use the measuring cup and stir that around and put it in the bowl. That's nice, you guys. The chickens are gonna love that. So what did we put in there? We put in garlic, right?
Garlic.
And sunflower seeds.
Sunflower seeds.
And brewer's yeast.
And brewer's yeast.
Yeah. And we're gonna put seaweed in.
Seaweed too?
Yeah.
Seaweed is not here yet.
Yeah. So does happy chickens make happy eggs? There's the seaweed. Yeah, I've got to cut that open. Okay, so wave to everybody on the Farm Wench website. Say hi from Farm Wench House.
Hi from Farm Wench.
Good job.
Look at the chicken family.
Stir it up, little darling. Stir it up. Whoa! Whoops. Ruh-roh. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time.